Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies.
Friends, in that video I'm going to show you an amazing remedy to grow long and thicken hair naturally, and if you do have bald spots, this will help you tremendously because it grows the hair from the roots and it thickens the hair from the roots, guys, and it's super effective. The first thing we'll need to prepare that remedy is half cup of mustard oil, and then we'll need to add on it 2 teaspoons of coconut oil, then my friends will need cloves, and we need to grind it fine to a fine powder. Like so, my friends. Mix the ingredients very well. And leave it 24 hours to soak in. After 24 hours, my friends, the remedy is ready. Apply it with an aid of cotton ball like so, and drop the oil in your scalp like that, my friends, and leave it on your scalp overnight in order to grow thicken hair and to thicken your hair naturally. I hope the video will help you too, my friends. Don't forget subscribe my channel, turn on the bell icon to never miss effective remedies.
So that was it, guys, today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.